Hi coders, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about image processing. So let's see first what an image is. Okay, so for us, like for human, an image is a visual representation of something, right? For example, let's see in this image, we all know that this image is of a girl, right? But for computer, this image is not a girl. The computer will not understand that this is the image of a girl. Computer will understand this image through some values. Okay, so for computer, an image is a collection of pixels. Okay, see this image. Computers see image like this. In this image we have pixels. Okay, the square box. Okay, these are the pixel, and each pixel is having its color and value. Okay, value like the pixel can have value 0 1 and anything. Okay, so computer understand the image through that pixel value. Okay, through the pixel value the computer will get to know that this is an image of something. Okay, so I hope you guys now get to know that for us human, for us image is a visual representation of something, but for computer an image is a collection of pixel, and computer understand the image through pixel number or pixel value. Okay, both are the both have the same meaning. Okay, so now we know that what an image is, right? So now let's see pre-processing. Okay, pre-processing means operations. Okay, when we perform some operation on an image na, then that is called image processing. Okay, so this operation can be increase brightness, can we blur background, can we remove noise, and can we detect face. When we apply all this operation on an image, then that is called image processing. Okay, see here, firstly we have image this. Okay, this is an image of a girl. You can see here in this image the background is not uh, uh, that much enhanced. So we are going to perform image processing on this image. Okay, so as we already know that in image processing we perform some operation on an image. Okay, so we will perform the operation of all, like we will increase the brightness of this image, we will detect face in this image, we will make the background blur in this image, and we will also remove the noise. Okay, when we perform all this type of operation on this image, we will get a new image like this. See the new image after performing all the operation on it. See the difference. This is before, this is after. When we apply operation on it, our image looks like this. See, the brightness is increased. We can detect a face of a girl. We can blur the background, and we can also remove or removed the noise. Okay, so this is called a image processing. When we perform some operation on an image, then that is called image processing. Now in this operations, we can enhance image brightness, we can blur the background, we can detect the face, and many more. So now you can make the definition of image processing by your own, right? You don't need to remembers the definition. You just need to understand what an image processing is. Through that you can make your definition by own. Okay, so I hope in this video you will get to know what an image processing is in a very simple and easy way. And if you like the video, then please hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.